Hello everyone, this is Shripati Venkatesh, the regional trader. So after a long time making this video, I thought I'd share my trades that I've taken today in equity and in crude oil in options. So I did not make videos for some time. I was very busy with my work. I was going to office, so um, I was not able to make videos, and I was not taking much intraday trades. I was only focusing on swing trading. So, but I got a chance to take trades today. So I thought I will share that with you guys. So today I've taken about 4 intraday trades and one scalping I did in crude oil options. So these are the trades that I've taken, and the total profit that I made was 12,170. The capital that I deployed to make this profit is about 90,000. So with 90,000, I was able to make about 12,000. That is almost about 13 to 14% gain, right? That's a very good returns in a single day for that capital. So all I do is, I simply work on equity stock list, and I see which stock has that momentum, and I try and take a trade in those momentum stocks. That's what I did today, and I was able to make good profits in this PCBL stock. I bought it at 349 and I sold it at 357. I was able to make about 8,000 rupees with this. Had a very good momentum, so I took advantage of that, and I also saw Power Grid Corporation of India, which was doing really well, and I took a trade in this particular stock, and the price was 359.80, and then I closed it at 361.15. And First Source Solutions, yeah, this was also a very good trade. Yeah, I was able to capture about 4 points, 3.5 points. um, it had given a good move, so I was able to capitalize on that, and then I was able to make 3,500. So what happened on this was I took a trade, and it went till, see, I took a trade at 778. It's almost like 779, and the price moved up till I think 189, and I could not book it. I thought it will further go because I saw really good spike and good momentum, so I was just holding it. And one single candle, gave about 10 points, against me, so I couldn't actually do anything. It was very quick, and then I wanted to see if it's going to give retracement, but it did not give. Ultimately, I had to book this at so this particular loss. So this is the only loss that I have. And then in the evening, I took a trade in crude oil. Lately, I'm also trading in crude oil because I don't get time in the day, so during the day, and I try to do scalping in crude oil options after like 4 or 5 p.m. So I quickly scalped, and I was able to make about 3,300 with a 5 quantity in crude oil options. And if you see, guys, this particular stock now it has reached 238. I could have made really nice returns, but unfortunately I couldn't hold it. So the stock, I mean the option price has moved till 242, and then now it is trading at 238. And if I would have held this particular trade, and I would have made really nice money. It happens after we closing the trade, when we go back and see the chart, this is how we feel. But yeah, today was good. Apart from this particular trade, everything went well, and I was able to make about 12,000. So it's very simple, guys. I get to hear a lot of things. I'm not able to um, follow SEBI news lately because I'm slightly busy with my work. I got to know by watching certain videos that they have proposed certain rules to be introduced in the market to curb retail speculation in options and futures. So I got to know that about 50 to 60,000 crores every year on every year retail investors or traders are losing. So that's huge money, right? So that's the reason for the stricter rules that they are trying to introduce, right? So I think if at all they introduce the rules, what they're actually discussing in the media, I think retail traders like me and you guys would not be able to participate in options and futures that easily because they're increasing futures contract size from 5 to 10 to 25 to 30, right? 30 lakhs. Then it's going to be very difficult because for you to buy any contract, you have to have very big capital. So that's definitely going to be one big issue. Apart from that, they're going to introduce. I think they're going to stop all this everyday expiry that we have, like Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, and all this. So what they're proposing is that every week each exchange should have just one expiry. All right, not every day. So if at all they introduce or implement that rule, then we might have Nifty expiry and Sensex expiry. Those are the two derivatives expiries that we would see on weekly basis. So we're not going to have any daily, weekly expiries on different derivatives, right? So these are the news that is out from market, meaning SEBI is discussing with brokers and exchanges to regulate certain instruments, right? I couldn't follow completely on this news. I'll make another video to actually share this information with you guys. But whatever they're doing, in a way, it is good for retail investors. But at the same time, it's going to be very difficult for small traders to actually trade in options, right? What I would like to tell is, without options, with just concentrating on intraday, you guys can make money. So that's the main purpose that I wanted to make this video, right? If you see in this page, I made about 12,000 out of 12,000, right? Only 3,300 is from options. Rest everything is from equity. With just equity intraday trading, you can make more than 5k per day with a capital of somewhere about 80 to 1 lakh, right? You don't have to go to options. Yeah, so people go to options thinking that they can make big money. Trust me, guys. You make 50,000 today. Tomorrow you're going to lose to 75,000. And the next day you're going to make 25,000. End of the month, you'll be under loss or break even, right? It's not going to give you money. Intraday, I mean scalping or intraday option trading will not get you money. Yeah, if you are concentrating on hedging, that is option selling, hedging, then the chances of you making money is very high. But the problem is, you need higher capital. So what I would suggest is, please concentrate on stocks. You have n number of stocks to actually trade on, right? We have about 8,000 stocks in Indian market, right? And NSE alone has about 2,000 stocks. So Nifty 500, Nifty cream, stocks, if you consider, we have about 700. So you have 700 stocks to trade. Definitely you will find 5 to 10 stocks in a day which is having a really good momentum. Just focus on that, and I think you would be able to consistently make money, and it will not have volatility like how index have, and you can consistently make money. So I would recommend everyone whoever is trading in options to stop and not lose money there, and try focusing on swing trading or intraday trading in equity. Equity is safer compared to options because you don't have that theta decay and all that. Yes, of course, you have to square off your position within that 3:30 p.m. time limit. But again, if you have a good setup and if you just strictly follow rules and discipline, I assure you, you can make money, right? So if you guys are interested in learning intraday trading and swing trading and scalping or hedging, you can contact me. I will mention my group. I manage a group, so I'll mention the group a link in the description. You can just click on that and join my WhatsApp group, and we discuss about breakouts and all that in the group. And you can reach out to me through the group if you want to learn from me, right? And I will also mention my telephone number just in case if you want to reach out to me directly, right? And yeah guys, so this was the trade, and let me show you in the chart how exactly the trade went. Let me open it. I was actually trading options, so I use this done whenever I'm scalping. So um, so done has really nice interface. They have a direct integration with TradingView. So I use done for reading charts and trading options, because where you can have one side the spot chart, and then you can have put and call the other side, right? So it is convenient for you to analyze and all that, right? So this is where I took a trade, right? So in this candle, if you see here the arrow mark, this is where I entered, and I closed it over somewhere over here, exactly where it started reversing. After that, if you see it, the price did not go above that at all. So this is how I trade, and this is how I took trade in this. I saw good momentum today, really nice momentum, and I took a trade here, and then I closed it somewhere over here, and I made a profit of 8,000. Simple trade, and I was able to make 8,000. It did not take much time for me. It would have taken about, yeah, let's see how much time. 21 minutes. In 21 minutes, I closed my position and I made my profit. So this is how you do. If you are interested in learning intraday trading, you can reach out to me. All right. So I'll come back again with a new video. Whenever I take any intraday trades, I will definitely make a video and I'll come back again. Till then, watch this video. Please click on the like button and subscribe and share this video with your friends, and please encourage me. Thank you.